Okay. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Okay. ተራ በተራ ይህንን ታነቡታላችሁ። አረጋ አንድ ፓራግራፍ ስታነብ ደግነት ደግሞ ቀጣዩን ፓራግራፍ እያላችሁ ታነቡና ከዛ ከታች ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። አረጋ continue reading this one.
Okay. ከአንድ ነው አይደል? Okay. Rural people have diversified their livelihood means and income, aiming across farm, non-farm, and off-farm activities. Thus, non-farm income generating activities have become an essential component of a live እቺ ጋር አልገባችሁም?
ታይም
መጽሐፉን አላስኩም
ስክሪኑ ላይ
ኦኬ፣ አሁን ይታያል። ሊቭ ሆልደር strategy among rural households, farm, particularly the rural farm, families usually engage in different non-farm income generating activity, apparently to balance the shortfall of income due to the seasonality of farmer agriculturally production and create continuous stream of income to cater for the various household needs.
Okay. 2. ደግነት አረጋ ቀጥል እስቲ። ደግነትም እየሰማኝ አይደለም።
Non-farm income generate activities include all economic activities in rural areas except agriculture, livestock, fishing, and hunting. It include all of farming activities, processing, marketing, manufacturing, work, and casual local employment in the rural villages. It encompasses all economic activities except the conventionally crop production and livestock rearing, rural rural non-farm income sector as described by the Kazungu and Guru 2014 include
household
and non-household manufacturing, trade and
handcrafts,
craft
repairs,
repairs, constructions, processing, transportation, communication, mining, and carrying, as well as community and personal services in rural areas.
good.
Now, paragraph 3.
Okay,
let me continue with paragraph 3.
Okay, ደግነት.
Okay, paragraph 3. Rural non-farm income generating activities are considered as essential component of livelihood strategies among rural households. The reason for diversification to non-farm activities, including declining farm income and desire to ensure against agriculture production risk. Households are pulled into the rural non-farm activities when return from non-farm income activities are higher and less risky than in agriculture. Most households in the rural communities engage in non-farming activities in order to enhance an economic base. Paragraph 4.
Okay.
Non-farm income generating activities are generally classified into two broad categories: high labor productivity that leads to high income activities, and low labor productivity activities that serve only as a residual source of income. The low labor productive activities are common among the poor. Such employment may be nevertheless is very essential from a social welfare perspective. Some families of the rural population who do not have option for agricultural employment work on rural non-agricultural employment opportunities. Through the latter are not highly remunerative. Households who do not possess farmlands make different in their life or slightly adapted from basis. Bazi Izgao. I think that, yeah, or Izangao is, I think, someone's name.
Yeah, Izangao. Okay. Now, based on the reading material, here are some of the questions. The first one, matching parts. Understanding each paragraph's main ideas. There have been 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1 talks about from 1 up to 4. Which one? Or number 1, rural non-farm source of income. Under which paragraph rural non-farm source of income have been becoming more important than ever?
I think it's paragraph 2. This is paragraph 2, yes, B. No, paragraph 3, sorry. Paragraph, which means C.
Correct.
Okay, let's check. Under paragraph 3, rural non-farm sources of income, rural non-farm source of income have been becoming more important than ever.
Group 1?
Let's check paragraph 3.
Hello?
This one. Yeah. Rural non-farm income. Rural non-farm income generating activities are considered an essential component of livelihood strategies among rural
Enya?
households. Yeah.
Minimum.
The reasons for diversification ሌሎች በኋላ ላይ የገባችሁ ሳይለንት ሚውት አድርጉ እስቲ። ከውጭ የሚገቡ ድምጾች አሉ። ኦኬ ስለዚህ paragraph 3 is talking about this one. Rural non-farm income generating activities are an essential component of livelihood strategies among rural households. The reasons for diversification to non-farm activities include declining farm incomes and desire to ensure against agricultural production. ምንድነው ሪዝኑ ለነን ፋርሙን ዳይቨርሲፋይ ለማድረግ ዓላማው ምንድነው? ፋርም አክቲቪቲዎች ዲክላይን ከማድረጋቸው የተነሳ ነን ፋርሞቹ ማሳደግ አለብን የሚል ሐሳብ ነው። So the answer is C. Okay, here አንደኛው C ነው ማለት ነው። ፓራግራፍ 3 ላይ ነው። ሁለተኛው
It describes types of
non-farm sources of income generating activities. ስለ ታይፑ የሚያወራው
Paragraph D. Paragraph 4D. Let's see.
Paragraph 2, non-farm income generating activities. Non-farm income generating activities include all economic activities in rural areas except agriculture, livestock, fishing, and hunting. It includes all of farming activities, processing, marketing, manufacturing, wage and causal local employment in the rural areas. It encompasses all economic activities except the conventional crop production, livestock rearing. Rural non-farm sector as described by Kazungo and Guro include household and non-household manufacturing, as well as community and personal services in rural areas. Okay. Is paragraph 2, which talks about types of non-farm sources of income generating activities. 2B. 3. Rural people have been increasing their livelihood income earnings. This is paragraph 1. Rural people have diversified their livelihood means and income earnings across farm, non-farm, and off-farm activities. Paragraph 1. 3, paragraph 1. It talks about classifications of non-farm income generating activities. The fourth one. The classifications of non-farm income generating activities. Here,
Thanks, paragraph 3.
non-farm income generators are generally classified into two broad categories: high labor productivity and low labor productivity. These are the two types. Okay. Okay, according to the reading passage, identify whether each of the following sentences is true or false. Write your reasons for your answer. Number one, አንብቦስቲ ደግነት አንብቦስቲ
Number 1, rural people are increasing their income.
True or false, this one? True no is false no?
It's true.
It's true. እንዴት ነው? How they increase their income? By what means?
The farming with livestock, and yeah, that's what we learn now.
Income earnings across farm, non-farm and off-farm activities በመጠቀም እያሳደጉት ነው ማለት ነው።
Yes.
Two,
non-farm economic sources are important for rural area. It's true.
It's true. Non-farm economic sources ምንድን ናቸው? What are those sources?
I think it's marketing. Yeah, I think so far I understand that's marketing.
Okay. Marketing, manufacturing.
Yes.
You can find it under paragraph 2. Non-farm include all economic activities in rural areas. ከዛ ወደ መጨረሻ አካባቢ ላይ
Yeah, marketing, manufacturing, and wage and casual local employment.
Okay.
Handicraft repair, trade, manufacturing, repairs, construction, processing, transportation, communication, mining, and so and so.
Yes. 3.
The seasonality of agriculture production makes rural households to focus on their non-farming activities. I think it's true, yeah.
It's true ነው። በየትኛው ፓራግራፍ ላይ ነው ያለው የሐሳብ? Under paragraph 1. Farmers, particularly the rural farm families, usually engage in different non-farm income generating activities, apparently to balance the shortfall of income due to the seasonality of primary agricultural production and create a continuous stream of income to cater for the various needs. Okay.
Yes.
for
agriculture, livestock, fishing, and hunting are example of non-farming economic activity. True. I think it's in paragraph 2.
Agriculture,
Livestock, fishing, and hunting are example of non-farming economic activities.
okay. Agriculture farm activity ነው አይደል? ነን እሱ ይፋለሳል። እቺ agriculture የምትለዋ agriculture farm አይደል? agriculture
Non-farm income generating activity like paragraph 2 ላይ include ሆኗል agriculture.
paragraph 2
Yes. Oh yeah, I think that's except
ማለት እኮ except ማለት agricultureን
yeah.
ሳይጨምር livestock ሳይጨምር fishing
Yes.
ሳይጨምር hunting ሳይጨምር ለማለት እኮ ነው።
I do understand, yeah.
Yeah, so it becomes false.
False, yeah.
Number 4 false. 5
non-farming activities generate high income. It's true.
Yeah, በጣም ይሄ ፕሮሰሲንግ ማኒፋክቸሪንግ ምን እኮ ሃይ ኢንካም የሚያስገኝ ነው።
Yeah.
ስለዚህ ትሩ 6
Rural households do not own adequate land work on non-agriculture income earning. I think that's true for me.
Yeah, it's true. Rural የሚለው it's found around paragraph 3 ላይ
Yes.
You can find it. Okay, activity 1.9. Choose the correct answer to each of the following questions based on the reading passage. Number 1.
Okay, what are the two non-farming income generating activity?
What does? Oh, the ከላይ አለ. Okay.
Marketing.
Okay, what are the two non-farm income generating activities?
Marketing and manufacturing.
Yeah. Marketing, manufacturing, wage and causal local employment opportunities. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, construction, processing and transportation and so on. So mining, communication.
Two, non-farm economy. Sorry. Why do an increasing number of rural families work in different non-farm income generating activities? Under paragraph 1 ነው አይደል?
Yes.
Due to what is it farmers, particularly the rural farm families, usually engage in different non-farm activities to balance the shortfall of income.
Yes.
ኢንካሙ እጥረት ሲያጋጥማቸው ማለት due to the seasonality of agriculture ሲዝን ላይ ቤዝድ የሆነ ነው።
Yes.
ዝናብና በፀሐይ ቤዝድ የሆነ ነው። ያ ድንገት ፎል ቢያደርግ ኢንከሙ በዛው ልክ ነው ፎል የሚያደርገው። ስለዚህ ነን ፋርም ኢንከም አስፈላጊ የሆነበት ምክንያት አንዱ ለዛ ነው። 3 what are the 2 reasons that have contributed to rural households non-farm activities? አንደኛው ሲዝናሊቲ ነው። seasonality of agricultural production and ሌላኛው ደግሞ creating a continuous stream of income. ሩራል ሃውስሆልዶች ነን ፋርም አክቲቪቲ ላይ ኢንቮልቭድ እንዲሆኑ የሚያደርጋቸው 2 ሪዝኖች፣ አንደኛው ሲዝናሊቲ ጉዳይ ነው። ሁለተኛው ኮንቲኒየስሊ ኢንከም ለማግኘት ይጠቅማል ያኛው ነን ፋርሙ ማለት ነው። 4 ፓራግራፍ 3 ላይ the 2 broad categories under paragraph 3 ፓራግራፍ 4 ላይ ነው ያለው። ፓራግራፍ 4 ላይ 4 ላይ ነው። ሃይ ሌበር ፕሮዳክቲቪቲ እና ሎ ሌበር ፕሮዳክቲቪቲ ናቸው። ኦኬ the 2 broad categories types of non-farm activities የፓራግራፍ 4 መሆን ነበረበት። 5 ሜን አይዲያው ምንድነው? ስለምንድነው እያወራ ያለው? ሃውስሆልዶች ስለ ኦን ፋርም እና ኦፍ ፋርም አክቲቪቲዎች እንደሚሰሩበትና ከሁለቱም ዘርፍ ከኦን ፋርም እና ከኦፍ ፋርም ስለሚያገኙበት ኢንከም ነው የሚያወራው ማለት ነው። it's all about the reading text is about on-farm and off-farm activities households do and the types of income they generate from the 2 sets of activities. Activity 1.10, choose the correct answer to each of the following questions based on the reading passage. What does the word diversified in paragraph 1 refer to? Paragraph 1 refer to
A.
Diversified. Rural people have diversified their livelihood. የሚኖሩበት መኖሪያቸውን ወይም ኑሯቸውን የሚለው diversified የሚለው increased. Rural people have increased their livelihood and income earning across farm, non-farm and እነዚህን ሁሉ በመጠቀም ፋርም ነን ፋርም ኦፍ ፋርም አክቲቪቲዎችን በመጠቀም ኑሯቸውን አሳድጉ ማለት ዳይቨርሲፋይድ ኢንክሪዝድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። አንደኛው increased ነው የሚሆነው diversified means በዚህ አውድ ማለት ነው 2
which means
the word balance in paragraph 1 means
income.
balance
Means of income.
balance means to balance
Okay, sorry.
to balance the shortfall of income. That means
Yes.
to equalize.
Yes. Yeah.
መቼም አርሶ አደር ቢያንስ ባላንስ የሚያወጣው ውጪ ያለ የሚያገኘው ገቢ አለ ያንን ኢኳላይዝ ማድረግ መቻል አለበት 3
Which one of the following is a non-farming income generating activity? A, agriculture, B, livestock, C, fishing, D, marketing.
Marketing, absolutely. Marketing ነው እዚህ ላይ ነን ፋርም የሆነው ሌሎቹ እነዚህ የፋርም ውጤቶች ናቸው ፊሽንግ ላይቭስቶክ አግሪካልቸር የፋርም ውጤቶች ናቸው 4 household who do not have enough funds can work on በቂ የሆነ የእርሻ መሬት የሌላቸው ሰዎች ምን ላይ መስራት ይችላሉ አንደኛ ቢ ላይ ነን አግሪካልቸራል ኤምፕሎይመንት ይቻላል ቢ ፖሲብል መሬት የሌለው በዚህ ላይ መሰማራት ይችላል ሲም ላይ ሎው ፕሮዳክቲቭ አክቲቪቲስ እዚህ ላይ መሳተፍ ይችላል ዲ ነው ሎው ፕሮዳክቲቭ አክቲቪቲዎች የትኞቹ ናቸው let's see paragraph 4 ላይ the low labor productivity activities are common among the poor አያችሁ በድሆቹ ዘንድ ማለት ነው መሬት የሌላቸው ምን የሌላቸው low labor ላይ መሳተፍ ይችላሉ such employment may be very essential from a social welfare perspective some families of the rural population who do not have options for agricultural employment work on rural non-agricultural አንደኛው non-agricultural ላይ መስራት ይችላሉ እነዚህ ሰዎች Okay. Individually, read the extended definitions given to each of the farming activities. Shifting cultivation. ማንታነ ቡታላችሁ ደግነትና ረጋ ማይካችሁ ኦን ነው እሺ ደግነት would you read it?
I must activity 111 right
yeah 112
or 112
yeah
112 sorry Listen 7 sorry I think I'm not there okay okay it is a form of agriculture used especially in tropical Africa do I'm right
yeah you are right
okay it is a form of agriculture used especially in a tropical Africa in which an area of ground is cleaned of vegetation and cultivated for a few years and then abandoned for a new area until it is fertility has been naturally restored.
ኦኬ ምንድን ነው ይሄኛው? ሽፍቲንግ ካልቲቬሽን is a form of agriculture ነው used specifically in tropical Africa in which an area of ground is clear. መጀመሪያ ግራውንዱ ምን ይሆናል?
I think clean ይደረጋል።
ክሊርድ ይሆናል። ቬጂቴሽን ያሉባቸው አካባቢዎችም ቢሆኑ ክሊር ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ከዚያ
ኒውሊ ፈርቲላይዝ ይደረጋል።
እንደ ማሳረፍ እኮ ነው። አንዳንዴ እኛም ሀገር ላይ ቦታው ያሳድሩትና ለአንድ ዓመት የሚሆን ቦታውን ያሳድሩትና ክሊር አድርገው ከዛ ለተወሰኑ ዓመታት ደግሞ ካልቲቬት ይታረሳል። ከዛም ደግሞ ምን ይደረጋል? then abandoned for a new area መተው ማለት ነው። ከዛም ደግሞ ከተጠቀሙም በኋላ ያንን ቦታ ለተወሰኑ ዓመታት ከተጠቀሙት በኋላ አሁንም ማሳረፍ ቦታውን ትቶ ማሳደር abandoned for a new area until its fertility has been naturally resolved. ለምንድን ነው ያ አቅሙ ወዝ ማለት አቅሙ እንዲመለስ ሪስቶር እንዲያደርግ ናቹራሊ ፈርቲሊቲው እንዲጨምር ነው አይደል? ፈርቲሊቲ እንዲጨምር የሆነ ቦታ ለአንድ ዓመት የሚሆን ለሁለት ዓመት ይተውትና መልሰው ያርሱታል ምርታማነትን ለማሳደግ ተብሎ so that is called shifting cultivation. Okay, the second one, nomadic farming.
Okay. Nomadic farming is done by people who are not permanent residents of an area and who keep on moving. Nomadic farming includes rearing of cows, goats, sheep, various cattle in herd. People take from one place to another place and another wherever they travel.
Yeah, this kind of farming is done by peoples who are not permanent residents of an area. በአንድ ቦታ ላይ ቋሚ ሆነው የማይኖሩ ሰዎች አይነትና በምን ይታወቃሉ እነዚህ ሰዎች? who keep on what? on moving. ሙቭ ያደርጋሉ። ከአንዱ ቦታ ወደ ሌላ ቦታ ሙቭ እያደረጉ ነው ፋርም የሚያደርጉት። ይህም ደግሞ እኛ ፋርሚንግ ኢንክሉድስ ሪዲንግ ኦፍ በቃ የቀንድ ከብቶች ላይ ሞር ያተኩራል። ሪዲንግ ኦፍ ካውስ፣ ጎት፣ ሺፕ፣ ቫሪየስ ካትል ኢን ሄርድ። ሄርድ ሚንስ በመንጋ በተናጠል ሳይሆን በመንጋ ሄርድ ለዛ አድርገው የሚነዱ ናቸው። ኦኬ the third one, livestock ranching means
Ranching is the activity of running a large farm, especially one used for raising cattle, horses, or sheep.
Yeah, ranching is the activity of running a large farm. Okay, what kind of farm? A large farm.
Large.
Yeah, especially one used for raising cattle. ለምሳሌ የወተት ምርት የሚያቀርቡ ድርጅቶች ግለሰቦችም ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። for raising cattle ቀንድ ከብቶችን horses or sheepም ሊሆን ይችላል። we call livestock ranching. The next one,
commercial plantation. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. Example of commercial crops includes coffee, cotton, sugarcane, tea, tobacco, oilseed, and
etc. So this commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. Okay. Mixed farming, what does it mean?
It is the growing of food or cash crops, feed crops, and livestock on the same farm. The main characteristics of the mixed farming are that farm produce both crops and livestock, and the two farming activities are engaged,
Yeah.
integrated.
ያ ይሄ ሚክስድ የሆነበት ሚክስድ እዛው ክሮፑንም ያመርታሉ እንደዚሁም ላይቭ ስቶኩንም እዛው ላይ ያመርታሉ። ላይቭ ስቶክ ለምሳሌ ፈረስ ምናምን እንትን የሚሉ ከሆነ ፈረስ የሚበላበትን ክሮፕ ያመርታሉ። ፍየል፣ በግ ምናምን ከሆነም እነርሱ የሚበሉበትን ነገር እዛው በቆሎንም ያመርታሉ በአንድ ጎን ከብቶች እንዲበሉት ማለት እንዲመገቡት ማለት ነው። ከብቶቹንም ያረባሉ። በቆሎ ከብት እንደዛ ዋንስ ሚክስድ ፋርሚንግ እንደዛ እያረቡ። ኦኬ ኔክስት ዋን
Subsistence farming. Subsistence agriculture. Can I continue?
yes.
Subsistence agriculture occurs when farmers grow food crops to meet their needs of themselves and their families on small lands. Subsistence agriculture is practiced for survival and for mostly local needs with little or no surplus.
already for the existence problem ለመኖር ተብሎ ማለት ነው። ለምግብ ለመኖር ተብሎ የሚሰራው subsistence farming ይባላል። next one
Dairy farming. Dairy farming is the practice of raising animals such as cow, goats, buffaloes, and camel, and using their milk to feed humans. Dairy products include cheese, butter, yogurt, ice cream, and milk.
ዴይሪ ፋርሚንግ የወተት አስተዋጽኦ ምርቶች እነዚህ ዴይሪ ፋርሚንጎች ናቸው። ኔክስት ዋን
Arable farming. It means that only crops are growing on a farm and then used to sold by farmers according to his or her needs. The arable farming needs balanced moisture and human resource to work.
Arable land is means that only crops, okay, are grown on a farm, then used or sold by farmer to his or her needs. ዓላማው ምን ለማምረት ነው? መጀመሪያ only crops produce ያደርጋል then እንደ ፍላጎቱ ወይ ለሌላ ዓላማ እንትን ማዋል ይችላል ወይም ቦታውን መሸጥ ይችላል። this arable. okay, activity 113. Use each of the expressions of farm activities in the box and complete the text. The first one has been done for you. Okay. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is commonly practiced in the tropics. It involves forest clearance through burning and slashing. Okay. አንደኛው ተሰርቷል። Nomadic farming is the practice of keeping and grazing animals on natural pastures. It's common in the arid and semi-arid regions such as certain parts of Saudi Arabia, Northern Africa, and northern parts of Eurasia. Dash focuses on rearing animals. የትኛው አይነት ነው rearing animals ላይ ፎከስ የሚያደርገው? livestock
Yes.
farming. Okay. Ranching is active running a large farm, especially one used for raising cattle, horses, or sheep. Okay. Rearing. ማድለብ ማለት ነው። rearing animals. ማድለብ. Okay. Unlike nomadic herding, farmers don't move from one place to another in search for pasture and water. Okay. Battlefield settlements, also known as tree crop farming, industrial agriculture or plantation farming. Dash covers large land areas. This one, commercial farming. Commercial farming ያካታል tree crop farming, industrial agriculture or plantation farming. This is called commercial.
Mixed.
Commercial farming ነው. Okay. Even if practiced on a smaller piece of land, the activity has a high commercial value. It involves the cultivation of tropical crops such as tea, rubber, coffee, coconuts, cocoa, grapes, apples, spices, orange, avocado, mangoes, and palm oil. Also known as grain and livestock farming, dash involves the growing of crops and rearing of animals.
Mixed farm.
Yes. ክሮፕንም አኒማሉንም አንድ ላይ ሳይድ ባይ ሳይድ አድርጎ የሚሰራ ስራ ሚክስድ. It has its origins in the humid mid-latitudes, excluding Asia. Dash involves cropping, growing crops and keeping animals for the sole purpose of feeding the farmer and his family. ፋሚሉን ለመመገብ. Okay.
Arable farming.
Is what? ዓላማው እዚች ጋር ምንድን ነው? አንድ አርሶ አደር grow crops and keeping animals for the sole means only, for the only purpose of feeding the farmer. ለመመገብ for the feeding purpose ብቻ ከሆነ ለሱና ለራሱ ምንድን ነው? That is subsistence farming.
Yeah.
Here, subsistence farming. Okay. The next one. It involves the use of simple farm tools on small pieces of land. Dash involves the rearing of cattle for milk.
Dairy farming.
Yeah. It's dairy farming. ለወተት አስተዋጽኦ dairy farming ነው. With its origins in Europe, the activity is highly developed in Sweden and Denmark. Dash, unlike pastoral or mixed farming, involves the growing of crops without keeping animals. This is
arable farming.
Arable farming, growing of crops. ከክሮፑ በኋላ used ማድረግ የምችላል ወይም sold ማድረግ የምችላል የሚለውን እዚህም ጋር አይተን ነበረ. This one, crops are grown on a farm and then used or sold by farmers to their needs. Individually write one sentence using each of the following words. First one has been done for you as example. Income. Our country gets income from different resources. Income ገቢ ነው. Profit is.
Yes. Perfect. I get profit from my business.
Excellent. I get profit. Good.
Yes.
ምንድነው ልዩነታቸው ኢንከም እና ፕሮፊት?
ገቢና
Okay.
ኢንከም ምንድነው? ከትርፍና ከኪሳራ ጋር ሳይሆን ሰው በሰራው ልክ የሚያገኘው የገቢ ምንጭ ማለት ነው።
Yes.
ኢንከም የገቢ ምንጭ ነው። ፕሮፊት ደግሞ ትርፍ
በነገሮች
ያወጣነውን ወጪ አስልተን ከዛ በኋላ የሚኖረን ትርፍ ማለት ነው። ስሪ ኤክስፔንስ
expense.
በእኛ ወጪ የምንለው ማለት ነው።
My expense was less than last month's expense.
Okay. Good. Possible. I use my monthly expenses wisely,
Yes.
or my daily expenses wisely. For fee
ክፍያ
ምንድን ነው? ለትምህርት ቤት
ታሪፍ ነው።
የምንከፍለው አይደለም። ለትምህርት ቤት የምንከፍለው ለትምህርት ብለን የምንከፍለው ብር ነው። The school fee for my children increases every year ብትል the school fee.
Yes. Yes, yes, school fee, yes.
Yeah. 5
Bonus.
bonus
benefit
that you pay voluntarily additionally on the addition of the salary, monthly salary. Bonus. For example, you can say, I give bonus for my shopkeepers. I give bonus for my shopkeeper. Possible.
Yes.
6.
We benefit from our relationship.
Yeah. Good. 7. Loss.
I lose my money.
Lose.
Lose and lose, yeah.
Loss ስለሆነ loss noun ነው እዚች ጋር።
Yes.
In business there are unexpected losses.
Yes.
In business there are unexpected losses. Payment. The payment that
Yes.
that I give for my laborer. The payment that I give for my laborer is fair. You can say like that. Next time ስለ ቴንዝ ላይ ግራመር ላይ ስለ ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት አክቲቭ እና ፓሲቭ ቮይስ እንመለከታለን።